What if I told you the universe is waiting for your unique symphony to play? Not just a melody, but a full orchestra designed by you. Imagine sailing a vast open sea, not knowing your destination, just drifting. Eventually, you realize the most profound journey is finding your true north. I've been there, feeling lost, wondering if my compass was broken, stuck in the fog of what-ifs. But like a lighthouse keeper, one small act, one courageous decision to set a new course, illuminated the way forward. Don't you dare believe you're meant for anything less than extraordinary. Your unique purpose is a force the world desperately needs. Think of the tiny acorn containing the blueprint for a mighty oak. It doesn't question its potential. It just starts pushing through the soil. You don't need all the answers today, just the courage to plant your seed and water it, day after challenging day. Take a moment right now. What's one tiny action you can take to define your true north, to align with your deepest calling? Because when you discover and live your purpose, you don't just change your life. You ripple through the lives of everyone around you. So, stop existing and start living your intended masterpiece. The world is ready for your symphony.